Data access by employees is not data access by government. This is very different. But we hear the concerns that are raised in the United States. We did not try to avoid, discussing, or we did not try to just argue our way out of it. What we did was we built an unprecedented project where we localized American data to be stored on American soil by an American company, overseen by American personnel. So this kind of protection for American data is beyond what any other company in our industry has ever done. We are basically localizing data in a way that no other company has done. So we need to be very careful that whilst we are pursuing data, what we call digital sovereignty in the US, and we're also doing a version of this in Europe, that we don't balkanize the internet. I expect that other companies are probably looking at this and trying to figure out how you balance between protecting protected data, to make sure that everybody feels secure about it. Today, by default, all new US data is already stored in the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. So it's in this protected US environment that we talked about in the United States. We still have some legacy data to delete in our own servers in Virginia and in Singapore. Our data has never been stored in China, by the way. And that deletion is a very big engineering effort. It's going to take us a while to delete them, but I expect it to be done this year.